Hello students, how are you all? Today we are going to start next topic of chapter 14 statistics, and before this we have studied about mean, and today we are going to start mode. So what is mode? So here mode, the highest number of observation is in the given data is called as mode. Suppose we have given any information or any data, so any frequency or any observation which occurs highest number of time, that is known as mode. So here we will find mode by using this formula. So formula for finding mode equals to L plus f1 minus f0 upon 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. So here we have to see that what is the value of, basically what are these things, that is L, f1, f0, h. So here L is the lower limit of modal class. In this we have given one table. From that table we have to see that which will be the modal class, and the lower limit of that modal class will be L. Now H is the size of class interval, and all the class interval should have equal size. Now f0 is the frequency of class preceding the modal class. That means the frequency of class which will be preceding the model class, before the class of model class. Now here f2, frequency of class succeeding the model class, means next class to the model class. Now after this f1 is known as the frequency of model class. So frequency of model class will be taken as f1. So on the basis of this formula we can start our exercise 14.2. So in our exercise 14.2, in exercise 14.2, in question number 1 we have given the following table shows the ages of patient admitted in a hospital during a year. So we have given a table, and in this we have to find the mode and the mean of the data given in this table. Now interpret the two measures of central tendency, and then we have to compare mean and mode. So according to this table, we have given this table in which we have given age. So this is the age in range 5 to 15, then 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55, 55 to 65, and number of patient we have given. So these number of patient we can take as Fi or frequency. So this we have given 6, 11, 21, 23, 14 and 5. So total number of Fi, that is sigma Fi, is 80. So from this table, first of all we will see that which will be the modal class. So modal, as we know that highest number of frequency is known as mode. So highest frequency is 23. That means this 35 to 45, this will be the modal class. So here modal class will be 35 to 45. So we can say modal class is 35 to 45. Now here value of L means lower limit of modal class. So here lower limit is 35. So L is equals to 35. Now H is the frequency. So H is the class size. So class size is 15 minus 5, or 45 minus 35 will be 10. So H equals to 10. Now F1 is the frequency of modal class. So frequency of modal class is 23. Now F2 is the frequency preceding, that is after succeeding the modal class. So after modal class, that is 14. So F2 will be 14. And F0 is the class which is preceding the modal class. So preceding the modal class is 21. So F0 equals to 21. Now with the help of this information we can find mode. So mode equals to, formula for finding mode equals to L plus f1 minus f0 upon 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. Now putting value, so here L equals to 35, then f1 equals to 23 minus f0 equals to 21 upon 2 into, on place of f1 23 minus on place of f0 21, on place of f2 14, and into on place of h 10. Now solving it, so 35 plus 23 minus 21 will be 2 upon 46 minus 35 into 10. So 35 plus 2 into 10 will be 20 upon 46 minus 35 will be 11. So here 20 divided by 11 will be 1.82 and plus 35. So it will be 36.5. So here mode is 36.8 approximately. So 36.8 is the mode. Now after this we have to find mean also. For finding mean in this table we have to make this xi. So xi is the sum of upper limit and lower limit and divided by 2. So 5 plus 15 it will be 20, 20 upon 2 will be 10, 15 plus 25, 40, 40 upon 2 will be 20, 25 plus 35, 60, 60 upon 2, 30. Similarly, it is 40, 50 and 60. Now we will find FIXI. So FIXI 6 into 10, 60, 11 into 20, 220, then 21 into 30, 620, 23 into 40, 920, 14 into 50, 700, 5 into 60, it will be 300. So it is by adding all these, sigma FIXI equals to 2820. Now finding mean. So mean equals to, formula for finding mean, it is sigma FIXI upon sigma FI. So sigma FIXI is 2820 divided by sigma FI, that is 80. Now solving it, it will be 35.37. Now from this these two value, mode and mean, we can depict that. So here maximum number of patient means mode. So maximum number of patient admitted in the hospital are of the age group of 36.8 year. So this will be the mode. Now while average, as we know, mean shows the average, so average age of this patient will be 35.37 years. So in this way we can find mode and mean of the given information. So in this way we can do this question. Now after this, see next question. So after this, see question number 6. In question number 6, a student noted the number of cars passing through a spot on a road for 100 period each of 3 minutes and summarized it in the table given below. So find mode of the data. So here we have given this table. In this table, number of cars according to class interval. So here 0 to 10, total number of cars of frequency 7, 10 to 20 is 14, 20 to 30 13, 30 to 40 12, 40 to 50 20, 50 to 60 11, 60 to 70 15 and 70 to 80 is 8. So here we have to find its mode, that is the highest number of cars which passing through the road. So modal class, first of all we will see which is the modal class. So here modal class will be highest number of observation, that is 20. So 40 to 50, this will be the modal class. So modal class is 40 to 50 and its lower limit. So lower limit is 40. So value of L or lower limit will be equals to 40. So in this H is class size is 10. So here F1 is the frequency of modal class, that is 20, and F0 frequency of the class preceding the modal class, that is 12, and F2 frequency of the class succeeding the modal class, that is 11. So F2 is 11. Now putting these value in formula, mode equals to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So by putting it in the formula, value of L is 40, F1 20 minus F0 12 upon 2 into F1, that is 20, minus F0 is 12 and F2 is 11 and into value of H is 10. Now solving it, so 40 plus 20 minus 12 will be 8 upon 2 into 20 will be 40 minus 12 minus 11, it will be minus 23 and into 10. So 40 plus 8 into 10 will be 80 and 40 minus 23 will be 17. So 40 plus 80 upon 17 will be 4.70. So 40 plus 4.70 will be equals to 44.70 cars, or we can say that the mode will be 44.70. So it will be the number of cars, so it is the mode. So in this way we can do this question. So all the questions are same, so you can try all these questions. On next session we will start a new exercise and that will be related to median. So in next topic we will study about median. So thank you for watching this video and all of you have a nice day.